Hi, my name is James Earnshaw for Lee Stafford, and this is the Half Up Messy Top Knot. I'm just using a little bit of light hold hairspray just to control any hairs and slick it up into the half ponytail. I'm just going to secure the hair into the half ponytail just using a piece of elastic. You don't have to use a really strong tension. We can keep this look quite soft and relaxed. I've just spritzed through some of the Keep It Clean dry shampoo, and now I'm just back brushing a little bit towards the root just to create a bigger shape. The reason I'm using the pink clay dry shampoo is because it's quite lightweight and quite soft on the hair and brushes out really nicely. Once I've back brushed all of this hair, I'm then going to spin it around to create the perfect shape. Now what I'm going to do through the back is create a little bit more movement using a large barrel tongue. I'm just using the tongue, holding it vertically and twisting it back away from the face into the centre, which will create a more softer wave. I'm just combing out the waves using the comb out to the curl comb to create a softer, more natural wave. So just using the comb and just keep combing just until you're happy with the softness. So now I'm just going to use the hair up styling brush and some hairspray to just come in and just detail any of the baby hairs. Just finishing with a little bit more dry shampoo, just spritzing it through and then just allowing it to fall in a natural way.